Welcome to my plant vlog. 20 years back, when my grandmother used to plant trees in her garden with her hands in the soil and constantly shifting them to new places, getting eager to do different things with the plants and the soil, I never knew that after 20 years, that seed would remain in me. I never knew that I had this corner of myself that kept me so attached and rooted with the plants. This is my new vlog in which I will be sharing with you guys my plant mother journey, in which how I have nurtured and planted, rerooted, grafted these beautiful plants in UK. Let's get started. Recently, I observed that my Monstera plant's leaves were turning black and I was worried about it. So I called up my mother to ask what was the reason, and she recommended to check the plant first because this might be due to water clogging or overwatering. So I am emptying the plant and seeing and checking for the water blockage. And I am doing repotting for my Monstera plant. इसकी roots जो हैं वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लेक्स हो गई थी. सो आई कॉल मम्मा एंड देन उन्होंने मुझे बताया बिकॉज मेरे ना प्लांट में ब्लैक डार्किश टाइप का हो रही थी लीव्स. आई कॉल्ड मम्मा फॉर दिस कि क्या कर सकते हैं. सो शी इज सेइंग कि इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा पानी आ गया है, मे बी बिकॉज Monstera needs less water, not that much water, maybe because of so many roots water clogging in the plant. I am repotting and rearranging my plant. So here is the plant. So here is haldi, that's turmeric for my plant, to add this in the plant soil so that if there is any fungal infection or anything, it will be like an antiseptic for the plant. So I'm just mixing the turmeric in the plant before repotting, and surely I can see that the soil is a little moist. Maybe there is not good ventilation for the plant, clogged moisture. There is good amount of holes in the potter. Still there is a little water clogged. So but now what we're gonna do is we're gonna fill the plant soil in this and then plant this. I was very concerned because there was a new baby plant. See this one, and it was again black. So I was like worried. Mama told me to just graft this out and we will plant this in water. See, I've also got this blackboard type of thing, not like the small blackboard. And I've got my plants on this with a nice coat. This is something so relaxing. I never knew that I would love, doing these stuffs. But I am really liking it. यहाँ पर न्यू रूट्स भी दिख रही हैं. प्लांट का ग्रोथ देखना, न्यू थिंग्स हैपनिंग इज एक्चुअली वेरी रिक्रिएशनल एंड यू फील अलाइव. देयर इज somebody else living, somebody else, and you are nurturing it. So now let's fill the plant and then we put this again. Now this is my first time doing anything like this. I always used to see mama doing the grafting and potting, repotting the new plants. And this is first time of me doing something like this. Okay, I think this is fine. So I also did this, made holes with this by lighting up this, because in UK houses you cannot put more than this much of fire in your house. And let's do something. So I'm just putting this soil in it. So here I have my chia seeds and I am not sure about them. Because I sunk them in water, but apart from this I'm also going to put some dry chia seeds in this. You guys have to take a look. This looks something like raw eggs. I'm keeping this on my windowsill with other plants, and for this plant I have put some foil down there so that it gets ventilation, and I've kept this potter and the planter here. Here will be my new plant. Here is another, and this side I'm having two, and another one just right here. This is the trailing plant. Now taking a glass container and filling it up with water to keep all the remaining leaves and one plant with the root in this so that it keeps on growing and the leaves may get some extra life. Now keeping these plants as well on the windowsill so that it remains with other plants, and it's evening already. So yeah, that's it for today's vlog, and I hope you all loved my plants. This is how it looks from outside, and I love my ferns as well. That's it guys, meet you in the next vlog. Till then, subscribe to the channel. Bye.